We're at 507 Old Field Cove. Here we are on the front slope of the property. We came across this wind damaged dragon key, and also there's a hell hit here that is soft to the touch. Here is a ruler for scale. It has embedded granules, soft to the touch, and webbing. So this is the shingle that I chose for us to do our repair work on. The tools we're going to be using is our new shingle. We've got our roof snake and our roof hatchet. I'm going to start off by breaking the seal, and when touching these shingles, we're going to keep it well under 45 degrees. We're only going to lift enough to get our snake tool underneath so that we can remove the existing nail, remove the existing shingle, and then we'll replace that shingle with the new one. And part of successful repair work is when you're able to complete these steps without causing damage to other parts of the roof. And in this case, we're using the right tools. We're going to be using just the right amount of finesse. And we're going to see how this repair goes. So as you can tell, we're starting to get a few rips in the shingles. Okay, got that to unseal. Now moving up to this top row here. Okay, so now we're going to remove our nails. got one more shingle, one more nail somewhere here. So as you can tell, even though this is our already damaged shingle, we've got a couple of areas with material transfer that's showing. But for the sake of documentation, we must continue. But just to show here, this is one complete shingle that is showing a lot of material transfer. And part of it transferred onto our already damaged shingle over here. Now I'm gonna insert this new shingle. Now we're gonna grab a new nail. And per IRC 908.5, which states aggregate surface materials cannot be reinstalled when damaged, is a perfect example of why the roof would require replacing rather than repairing. And as you can tell, the permanent damage that we now have to the overlaying and surrounding shingles was not there prior to the initiation of the repair, therefore resulting in a complete failure. One more now. So as you can tell, we ended up having a lot of material transfer that was present on this first shingle on the bottom. We've got some material transfer that's really present here on these top areas. As you can tell, more material transfer. Basically every tab that I had to lift in order to remove the nails has material transfer. We ended up having a tear here on this top shingle, and we've also got certain areas that have delamination on the dragon keys. The shingle has another tear here from the bottom from breaking the seal. Delamination, delamination, delamination here, and a tear, as you can tell. This other one, delamination. So we ended up compromising 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles in the process of fixing one. So as you can tell, the results for this repair have been a fail. Thank you for your time. GoPro, stop recording.